I decided to redo this chair with macrame, and I saw a ton of videos with the fold in half chairs that go that way, and it has the bars on top, and I figured out how to do it with these director's kind of style chairs. So I'm not going to show you how to do the side to side because that's the same as all the tutorials online. I'm just going to show you how I start the color bits down here. So you just do your knot or double knot, and get a double strand, and you're going to weave it, whatever your pattern is going to be. So I'm going to do every 3 like I did for the pattern up top. So it's a section of 3, that's like 2 each, so within each knot. And I just want to make sure you're doing it right the whole way. And it's okay if, see, I've got an odd number, and I'm just going to use these back 3 as 1 row. So for the first one, go around. This is tight, but since it's not going around bars, you can't do it quite as tight because all your strings will warp, kind of like in weaving. So, you know, fairly tight, but if you do it too tight, it'll start doing that number and shrink up on you. So then you pull this side down, do a loop, and this first one, just do your place marker. And you get back down here, and I'm going to loop around this knot. Kind of a tight fitting right here. And what you can do is you pull on this string and that'll tighten up this loop for you. And all the way across, what I'm going to do is take this loop and we'll do a stitch, bring it down, then do a stitch. So we have 3 here, and to do the pattern like I did up here, you just do 1 less every 3, so it just staggers. You don't want to get your string twisted though. Okay, so get that nice and topped. Kind of tuck it in to make sure the pattern's looking good. And you just do a loop. So you go from the back and do a loop around those last ones. You need more string, you can pull it up from this side. And then this is kind of a crochet stitch. So you loop it around and you do a chain. And to tighten it up, you just pull on this side again and then kind of gently work it back down. Okay, so now we're back here to the beginning, and down here So the pattern was, we don't want all 4 of these to be in the base, just this bottom 2. So we're going to do the loop around these bottom 2 in between this stitch right here, then all these ones. And go for a crochet loop and pull it tight. So it just continues like that all the way across. Looking at the pattern, so 3, 2, we just want 1, go under here, okay, so all 3 of those, and it's going to go through those 2 up top. And you can kind of shove your crochet hook, makes it easier to loop, and then tighten it. You need to.